Next initiative is SAMADHAN. SAMADHAN. Okay, see here. What is SAMADHAN? Initiative. S means smart leadership. Smart leadership. Leadership. Leadership is always smart. Then why they are talking about smart leadership? Why they are talking about smart leadership? What is this? See here. Example. See, security forces should not be always hard, and security forces will always not be soft. For example, a child, छोटा सा लड़का है, a small child, when security forces are moving in that particular area, this child started abusing beep 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 beep. Okay, so this small child started beep 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 beep. Then security forces. Now, if the security forces came down from this van and they started showing the strength towards this child, what you will say? अरे जबान से निकल गया भाई. From the tongue it has slipped, and you are beating a small child of 8 years, 10 years old. Showing the strength towards a small child is not a smart leadership. Yes or no? Right? If adult, if he is shooting, okay, going there, अरे भाई ऐसा नहीं करना. This is not the right way to do. This is not a smart leadership. Okay, what is a smart leadership? If the child is there, भाई ऐसा मत करना. Don't do like this. Okay, telling a small child, don't do like this, and telling adult, यहाँ से निकल. Yes or no? This, go away from here. That is the way that to deal with such persons. That is what called as a smart leadership. Showing the strength towards a small child is not smart leadership, or showing resistance towards adults when he is shooting is not a smart leadership. What is smart leadership? Whenever according to the situation, if you are acting, that is called a smart leadership. Point clear? Huh? Yes or no? Second is aggressive strategy. Aggressive strategy. What is aggressive strategy? Now let us understand from an example. In history, you all know Battle of Panipat. How many battles? 3 battles. Why did it take place only in Panipat? Strategic. Kurukshetra was there. Battles were found in Kurukshetra. Why Panipat only? Near to Kurukshetra is not near to Gurugram. Gurugram is also there. Black? They are not there in Gurugram. They are there. Kurukshetra, they are there. Why Battle of Panipat? Why Battle of Panipat? Panipat only. There is no reason. Okay, but there is a term called Panipat syndrome. Okay, listen. What is Panipat syndrome? Okay, this is a story. You know, when soldier came and said, Raja, enemies are coming. Where they have reached? Chandigarh, to Angur Khila. Okay, feed me Angur, no problem, no tension. Okay, next time soldier came. Sir, they have reached Sonipat. Acha, ठीक है, no problem. You bring me some coffee. Next time soldier came. You know, where they have reached? Sir, Panipat. Oh, no. Start attacking. This is the way, you know, this is called Panipat syndrome. That means, before they attack, you start combating on them, attacking on them. Counter. It is not a counter one. It is clearing them. That is what? Aggressive strategies. Before the Naxalites attacks the CRPF camps, first you attack them and eliminate them. That is called aggressive strategies. So in SAMADHAN, first is smart leadership, second is aggressive strategy. Is it clear? Do not be restrained when they are attacking you. Till they attack you, first you attack them. That is what green hunt operations are. Point clear? Huh? Yes or no? Then third. Then motivation and training. Motivation and training. Training. Motivation and training. Okay. Then actionable intelligence. Actionable intelligence. What is actionable intelligence? Intelligence. You got the information today that, sir, there was a Naxalite meeting yesterday. Will you go now? Will you go now? No. You have to act on those intelligences where you can take an action, where you can curb them. That is what called as an actionable intelligence. Point clear? Then D. It is dashboard for key performance indicator. For key performance indicator. That means you need to have in this particular area. For example, you are working in a district as a district collector. You need to have what is in the health, like for example, 3 indexes: IMR, MMR, etc. And institutional deliveries or the neonatal cares, etc. So you need to have out of 100 in that districts how many are dying. IMR, what is the status? What is MMR status? And what is neonatal status, etc. This is called as a dashboard. Or in education, how many of them admitted into the school? How many of them dropped out in the schools? And what is the status of health, education and employment opportunities, etc. Skill development program. This is called as a dashboard. Okay, this is called as dashboard. Dashboard will give the performance of that particular districts, and accordingly you can act, you can take the measures or steps towards your better improvement or efficiency of that particular district. That is called dashboard. Dashboard for key performance indicators. Point clear? Yes or no? Alright, tell me. Yeah? Yes. H. Harnessing technologies. Harnessing technologies. Using the technology to combat Naxalites. Okay. Harnessing technology. Then action for all theaters. Action for all theaters. Theaters means not theaters. Theaters means it not only land but also maritime security, because and air security. There can be airdrops on CRPFs. So using drones to monitor them, or in the waterways. There are in eastern part of India, there are n number of rivers, large number of rivers and their tributaries. So there can be maritime security threats also. So protecting the maritime, air as well as territorial, that is called action for all theaters. And last one is no financing for LWE. No financing for LWE.